Linear equations in two variables. Lesson number 1, mathematics part first, algebra. This is lesson number 1, 10th standard. Let us see determinant method. Determinant method to solve linear equations in two variables. This method is at first used by Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer. Therefore, this method is known as Cramer's method. This method is also known as a Cramer's method. In this method, we use determinant. So what is meant by determinant? If we write the numbers A, B, C, D in this way, then it is called determinant of numbers A, B and A, B, C and D. The numbers A, B and C, D are called rows of determinants, and numbers A, C and B, D are called columns of this determinant. Therefore, here are two rows and two columns. Therefore, this determinant is called determinant of degree 2. This determinant is called determinant of degree 2. Numbers inside the determinant are called elements of that determinant, and determinants are always denoted by capital letters such as A, B, C, dash, D, dash, capital letters. Now, if A is equal to determinant A, B, C, D, then how to solve this determinant? To solve this determinant, we take cross product of numbers A and D, that is A into D is AD, then minus cross product of numbers B and C, B into C, that is BC. So, value of this determinant can be determined by AD minus BC. For example, we take one more determinant in numbers. Determinant B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 2. This is one determinant. And how to solve this determinant? Take cross product 2 into 1, 2 into 1 minus 3 into 5, minus 3 into 5 is equal to 2 into 1 is 2 and 5 into 3 is 15. 2 minus 15, the answer will be minus 13. In this way, we can find the solution of any determinant. Now let us see how Cramer's rule is applied to solve the linear equations in two variables, that is simultaneous equations. Let there are two equations, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is equation number 1. Now second equation, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 is second equation. These are the two linear equations in two variables, that is simultaneous equations in two variables. In order to solve these two equations, we find three determinants. First determinant is D is equal to determinant of numbers A1, A2, B1, B2. Then we find determinant dx While finding determinant dx, we replace a1, a2 as c1, c2. That is, coefficients of x are replaced by the constant terms. That is, we write c1, c2 in first column and b1, b2 in second column. Then we find determinant dy. In finding determinant dy, we replace the coefficients of y, that is b1, b2, by the constant term c1, c2. Therefore, we write a1, a2 in first column and c1, c2 in second column. In this way, we find three determinants. Then, in order to find the value of x, we write formula x is equal to dx by d and y is equal to dy by d. In this way, any equation can be solved, any equations in two variables, that is simultaneous equations, can be solved by using Cramer's rule. Now let us see how this Cramer's rule can be applied to solve the examples. So let us solve practice set 1.3. Practice set 1.3. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find the values of following determinants. Find the values of following determinants. Question number 1 is, in determinant numbers are -1, 7, 2, 4. Now take cross multiplication of -1 into 4. -1 into 4. Then minus cross multiplication of these two numbers, 7 into 2. -1 into 4 is -4. -7 into 2, that is -14. -4 minus 14 is -18. So the value of this determinant is -18. Let's solve example number 3 from question number 2. That example is 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. How to solve this example? Take cross multiplication of these two numbers, that is 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus cross multiplication of these two numbers, 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2. So what will be here? 7 into 1 is 7. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 5 into 3 is 15 upon 3 into 2 is 6. That will be 7 minus 15 upon 6. 7 minus 15 is -8. So minus 8 upon 6. Simplifying this, that is divide numerator and denominator by 2. Therefore we will get -4 upon 3. So the value of this determinant is -4 upon 3. In this way, we can solve any determinant of degree 2. Now let us solve question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 from practice set 1.3. Question number 3 is solve the following, solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Using Cramer's rule. Let us solve example number 1. Example number 1 is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. This is one equation. And second equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is second equation. Now, in first equation, coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is minus 4, and constant term is 10. So let a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4, and c1 is equal to 10. And for second equation, coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of y is 3, and constant term is 5. So let a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3, and c2 is equal to 5 here. Now we find three determinants. That is, first determinant is a d, then we find dx, and then we find dy. Now d is equal to, in determinant, a1, a2 in first column, b1, b2 in second column. Therefore, we have a1, value of a1 is a 3, a2 is a 4 in first column. In second column, b1 is equal to minus 4, b2 is equal to 3. So, equal to, take cross multiplication. 3 into 3, 3 into 3, minus, this minus 4 into 4, minus 4 into 4 is equal to 3 into 3 is 9, minus minus will plus 4 into 4 will be 16, 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So the value of determinant D is 25 here. Now let us find dx. Dx is equal to, while finding the value of determinant dx, we replace a1, a2 by c1, c2. So here we write c1, c2 instead of a1, a2. Second column is as it is, b1, b2 is equal to, c1 is 10 and c2 is 5, and value of b1 minus 4, b2 is 3 is equal to, take cross multiplication, 10 into 3, 10 into 3 minus, in bracket, minus 4 into 5, that equal to 10 into 3 is 30, minus minus will be plus, and 4 into 5 is 20. Therefore 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Value of dx will be 50. Now dy is equal to determinant. Here we replace the b1, b2 by c1, c2. So we write a1, a2 in first column and c1, c2 in second column. Therefore we get a1 is a 3 and a2 is a 4, and c1 is a 10 and c2 is a 5. So we take cross multiplication. 3 into 5, 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4, 10 into 4, that will be 3 into 5, 15, minus 40 is equal to minus 25. Now let us find the value of x. So x is equal to dx by d. Dx by d. Value of dx here is a 50 and value of d is a 25. Therefore 50 upon 25 is a 2. Let us find the value of y. Y is equal to, formula is dy by d is equal to, value of dy is minus 25 and d is 25, minus 25 upon 25 minus 1. Therefore, solution of these simultaneous equations in bracket xy is equal to, value of x is 2 and value of y is minus 1. In this way, we can solve any simultaneous equations. Now let us see example number 5 from question number 3. Example number 5 from question number 3. That example is 4m plus 6n is equal to 54. And second equation is a 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. From this example, let a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to 6 and c1 is equal to 54. And from this example, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2, c2 is equal to 28. Now find determinant d. D is equal to, in determinant, a1, a2, b1, b2. Put the values of a1 as a 4 and a2 is a 3, b1 is a 6 and b2 is a 2. So we get 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3. 6 into 3 is equal to 8 minus 18 is equal to minus 10. Value of determinant d. Now find the value of dx. Dx is equal to, we replace here numbers a1, a2 by c1, c2. So we write in first column c1, c2, in second column b1, b2 is equal to, value of c1 is 54 and c2 is 28. Value of b1 is 6 and b2 is 2. b2 is 2 equal to, cross multiplication, 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28. 6 into 28. 54 into 2. 54 into 2 is 108 minus 6 into 28 is 168. 168. 6 into 28 is 168 and that equal to, that value will be minus 60. Now let us find determinant dy. dy, in this determinant we replace b1, b2 as c1, c2 and first column remains the same. Therefore we have in first column a1, a2 and second column is c1, c2. Put the values. Now a1 is equal to 4, a1 is equal to 4, a2 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 54 and c2 is equal to 28. is equal to, now cross multiplication, 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3, 54 into 3 is equal to 4 into 28. 4 into 28, its value will be 112, and 54 into 3, its value will be 162. So 162 minus 120, that will be minus 50 here. Now let us find the values of x and y. Formula is x is equal to dx by d, dx by d. Value of dx is minus 60 and value of d is minus 10, so is equal to 6, and then then y is equal to dy by d. So value of dy is minus 50 and value of d is minus 10 is equal to 5. Therefore, solution of the simultaneous equations is equal to x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. Let us solve one more example from this practice set. Now let us solve example number 6 from practice set 1.3. Example number 6 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Here we write a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, and c1 is equal to 2. c1 is equal to 2. Now here we can write multiply by 2 on both sides, that is a 2x minus y is equal to 1. Multiplying both sides by 2, 2 into x, 2 into x, that is 2x, 2 into y upon 2 is y, and 2 into 1 upon 2 is equal to 1. Here we write a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1, and c2 is equal to 1. At first you have written the given equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 is the first equation. Coefficient of x is a 2, coefficient of y is a 3, and constant term is a 2. Therefore a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, and c1 is equal to 2. Second equation is x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Multiply both sides by 2. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into y upon 2, y. And 2 into 1 upon 2 is 1. Therefore, a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1, and c2 is equal to 1. Now let us find the determinant d. D is equal to, in first column, a1, a2, second column, b1, b2 is equal to, in determinant, value of a1 is a 2 and value of a2 is also 2. Value of b1 is a 3 and value of b2 is minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 6 is equal to minus 8. That value of d is equal to minus 8. dx is equal to, we find the second determinant dx, replace the numbers a1, a2 by c1, c2. Therefore, we write in first column as c1, c2, and in second column B1, B2. So C1, C2 are, C1 is a 2 and C2 is 1. Now B1 is a 3 and B2 is minus 1. So we get 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is equal to minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So the value of dx is equal to minus 5. Now find value of dy. Here we replace the numbers b1, b2, b1, b2 by the quantum term c1, c2. We write first column a1, a2 and we replace second column, that is b1, b2 by c1, c2. So is equal to, in determinant, value of a1 is a 2, value of a2 is a 2 and value of c1 is a 2 and value of c2 is 1. So we have 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 2 minus 4, 2 minus 2 here. Now let us find the value of x. X is equal to dx by d is equal to dx. Value of dx here is minus 5 and value of d is minus 8 is equal to 5 upon 8. And y is equal to value of by upon d. Value of dy is minus 2 and value of d is minus 8. So it will be 2 upon 8. It will be 2 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. So the solution of these simultaneous equations, we can write xy is equal to value of x is 5 upon 8, 5 upon 8 and value of y is 1 upon 4.